opposition nĩ yumĩrĩtie na ĩgakorwo ĩkĩarĩrĩria ũhoro ũrĩa ũrathiĩ na mbere wa demonstrations, and by opposition I mean Rigathi Gachagua, Kalonzo Musyoka, Mukisa Kitui, Eugene Wamalwa, nani sijataja, all those people, you know them, na nĩmauma na mũcemanio mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ na makorwo makĩrekereria statement ĩrĩa ĩrakorwo ĩkĩonania atĩ they are planning, they are compiling evidence ya gũkorwo magĩthitanga William Ruto kũrĩa ICC nĩ ũndũ wa police brutality na maũndũ macio mothe marĩa makoretwo magĩthiĩ na mbere. Kũringana na opposition marauga atĩ ũrĩa borithi marakorwo makĩbehave, it is something that was planned, na kathabarĩ karĩa borithi mathiĩte kũrĩa Haiti kwĩrĩkanĩte atĩ mathiĩ gũkorwo makirua bara kuu na gũkorwo makibring stability in Haiti. Gatiarĩ kamũbango genuine, kuna atĩ thigari icio hena kamũbango kangĩ ga thigari ka military operations gathiĩ na mbere na kuu, na thaa ici ũguo tũronire thigari magĩka mũrũrũngano-inĩ. It is something that came from there. Very shocking revelations, and anytime turona opposition makiaria, provided Rigathi Gachagua is there has to be a shocking revelation. And now we have something that was happening in Haiti. Now I can honestly say that in this regime of William Ruto is going to suffer in the hands of Rigathi Gachagua. Because Rigathi Gachagua is going to expose everything. Right now we have the Haiti expose. Na timo maũndũ maingĩ Rigathi augaga na makaga gũkorwo me mama. Nĩtuonire story ya South Sudan. It was in the dailies, I think jana majuzi, in Daily Nation, ikionania atĩ mĩcingĩre ĩrahũthĩrwo kũu ironekana yumĩte Kenya, and this is an investigation that has been proven by Nation Media and a certain Netherlands-based private investigative firm, confirming what Rigathi Gachagua has been saying. Koguo ona thaa ici akiuga atĩ hena kaũndũ karathi na mbere kũrĩa Haiti, gathire na mbere kũrĩa Haiti na thigari citũ, na nĩkĩo tũrona magĩka ũguo. Please believe him, but until when is this going to last? Namenya thaa ici kũrahũthĩrwo tactics fulani, thigari makĩhũthĩra a lot of force na guns. Na thaa ici na era ĩno ya online, already we have managed to show, nĩtũmanĩjĩte kuonia the international community atĩ kwĩna guns, na tũkaprove guns icio ciratũmwo through online. And now we have proven that kwĩna police brutality na thigari ici cireka maũndũ macio nĩ irĩkũ. The information is online everywhere. Now it is going to be very tough for William Ruto's government to repeat the same mistakes in June 25th or later. Todo already demonstrators have already found a solution to that. Tari uhoro wa guns in yesterday's demonstrations, nituronire demonstrators magipambana na guns. Koguo ona guns ni ciramenya ona ũrĩa nĩ marathi macemanie na andũ mekũhota kũrũa. What are we building up to? Haria bado forithi nituronire bado kuna vile kutakuwa retaliation pale hivyo. So of course things are not going to be okay. Maũndũ matigũkorwo me fiti, but they know you the ũgũkorwo ũrehetwo no forces behind thigari na guns. Who are those forces? The forces we are trying to fight. Koguo nita wanasiasa acio tũrageria gũkorwo we are bringing them to account. They are using their money to fight us in the streets. Ũguo nĩguo kũrathiĩ na mbere. And I don't know how we are going to do this. I don't know kumanagia na thaa ici gũthiĩ na mbere gũgũthiĩ atĩa mĩrũrũngano-inĩ, because one thing that I am sure of nĩ atĩ mũrũrũngano ndũrathira. That I am sure of.
Moi, relais Jack. Je parle créole piti. D'accord?
Oui, continuité et éducation en Haïti.
Because the way the security situation in Haiti, the way it has been impacted negatively,
Nous sommes obligés de déplacer
they have been forced to move from their former schools
pour venir ici,
to come here
juste pour chercher les pains de l'instruction.
so that they can continue with the education here where the environment is safe for the students. You say yes, so you speak English, n'est-ce pas? Vous parlez anglais? Non? Non, vous parlez anglais. Moi, relais Jack. Je parle créole piti. D'accord?
Oui, continuité et éducation en Haïti.
Because the way the security situation in Haiti, the way it has been impacted negatively,
Nous sommes obligés de déplacer
they have been forced to move from their former schools
pour venir ici,
to come here
juste pour chercher les pains de l'instruction.
so that they can continue with the education here where the environment is safe for the students.
Qui est le porte-parole de la mission. Ce matin, il vient ici justement non seulement pour donner des doléances, n'est-ce pas?
Okay? We just come here to visit them. Continue.
Oui, pour que nous ayons une atmosphère plus ou moins normale.
So that places like this can have conducive atmosphere the conducive environment for learning.
Nous avons avec nous le porte-parole de MMS. Maintenant, ils ont venu ici justement pour...
Guys, you can comment down there and tell us what you think about this story.